And as you can see, guys, zooming into the 1 minute time frame, you can see that we have an SFP line here. Also, we have the rejection below the SFP. That whole move is basically the SFP, SFP standing for swing failure pattern. Basically, we swung this high, failed, and it's a pattern because it happens quite a lot. And then you get the fib retracement tool out from the top of the move to the bottom of the rejection move, and then you can see how we just tap that 6-5 to perfection. Obviously, we had the little above, but that just looks so perfect. Anyhow, as you can see, if I had entered that trade on the let's be conservative and on let's say on the rejection of the or sorry the acceptance back below of the SFP line, normally stop loss at the highs, we'd currently be up a solid 1 to 3 right now, and then well yeah, that would have been the trade 1 to 3 solid. As soon as you start rejecting, got to start taking. Well, you got to take steer, you got to take profit, don't you? But anyhow, this is the trade. I was too focused on the 15-minute time frame, even though SFP patterns happen on the 1 minute. So I need to be, what's the word, nimble. You know, I need to go from 1 minute to 15 minutes. I need to be looking at all the time frames to look for different patterns, or just know that SFP happens on the 1 minute. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the SFP pattern. Sorry, the SFP trade that I fumbled, didn't I? In other news, you can see if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, then I can look for a short. Let's see if the third wave hit third wave target. Beautiful. We overextended to the 1 to 2, but that's fine. The 1.618 level held. So now, as you can see, we're starting to get that push up, creating that fourth wave. Fourth wave targets now, guys. The 0.5 and the 382. So this box, we should start rejecting. If I start seeing any weaknesses like that, then we could come and claim the third wave low, which would be something like that, I guess. Fifth wave targets are where the 2.618 and the 1 to 3 level is. You can see, actually, that's a lie. Fourth wave needs to play out a bit longer, see if we can fill that wick, come up higher, show that we're losing momentum, and then start rejecting. Got a nice trend line there. So yeah, quite a lot going on right now. Currently rejecting off of the fourth wave target box, which would be where we would need to turn around now. So start breaking down. Confirmation would be the break of this trend line. Just entered a short position, guys. You can see I'm already up 1 to 1. Let me just bring up my position for you. Lock it up. You can see, guys, entered my short right there on the rejection of the 618 from this move. Got the 6-5 there, so I entered my short. I'm gonna turn it off now because I don't like seeing how much I'm up. But you can see it here, guys. This is my position. So if we start rejecting now, come claim the lows. That's the first target, which would already be a 1 to 5. So yeah, until then, guys. Until then. Also, I am fully aware of the fact that price can actually do a little something like this, where we actually stop me out. Funny enough, but because the 0.5 is at this line here, the 0.5 is right here. This might be for no point, but just gonna say anyway. If that's the 0.5, price can actually test it a little bit, do something like that. That's if we don't just roll over right now. If we do, obviously, I was right, I guess. But yeah, time will tell, guys. Time will tell. Right, guys, you can see I am an idiot because before these lines were there, but now after realizing that what I did was wrong, don't know how that got there. But let me just draw it again for you guys. Let me zoom in. So to find the fifth wave target, you get the trend-based fib extension from the high of 3 to the low of 4. No, in this case, it's the other way around. So it'd be the low of 3 and the high of 4, and then dragged across directly. You get the fifth wave targets of mostly the most common fifth wave targets are is this box here. So let me get another rectangle out. So that's the target. That's where I expect price to stop. If we claim these lows, we come in here. But anyhow, zooming in, you can see we have claimed that low, but not gonna let that fool me. I believe price will come to these levels in conclusion. So yeah, that's my theory. We also got the golden pocket fib. So yeah, see what happens, guys. Also, guys, on my paper trade account, I will currently take profit. So I'm probably going to sell about 13 out of 17 positions for a 2.5. Now let me note that down. Shit. 2.5, that's for 5 RR, so plus 5. Now stop loss to break even. And now we're in a risk-free trade. Price comes here, then I'm going to close full position. I'll update you guys when we get there. Sorry guys, just to reconfirm that it wasn't 5 RR, it was actually 3.6 because my stop loss was 700, not 500. Because every time I put 1%, it goes off the account balance, not my initial 50k, and as you can see, I'm up 11.5. So yeah, that's why my account balance increases and my 1% increases. So I guess I do make more money the bigger my account gets. So which is kind of good, but if only it was real, eh? Oh no, it's not real. Nearly there, guys. I should break the 1-to-1. All right, guys. It's kind of late at the moment, 10:45 p.m. As you can see, an update from this trade is that stop loss at break even and TP at the 1.236 level. Now I could target the 1.382, but I'm going to be safe. That would be an extra 2.4, some an extra RR on top of my 3.6, so that'll be 2.5-ish. And yeah, I'm about to go to bed now, but I'm just going to set my TP there, see if we can come hit the 5th wave targets. Other than that, nothing much else to say, to be honest. Let's see what happens tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's currently 9:16 p.m. and in the previous clip, all right, guys, this whole screen was frozen. I didn't realize until afterwards. Also, I said it was 10:45. At the time, it was 9:23. So the thing was bugging. But I was basically saying that that would be an extra 2. My TP will be stop loss at break even at the 1.236 level. At the 1.236 level. Now that's that level there, which would also be this level here. As you can see, top of the rectangle box, top of the rectangle box, and TP was hit. If I bring out my account history, you can see that this was when I took partials, and this was my full TP after I took partials. So that's a +2 RR on top of that for a total of 5.6 on the day. But yeah, guys, just want to summarize this for you. You can see we had another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5th wave actually came to the 5th wave target of 1.236. My short was from here, that initial rejection of the golden pocket. And the reason why is because from the fib level, from this high here, because that's 1, so the low of 2 to the high of 3 dragged across. You can see we have these fib 4th wave levels. So if I do this and press 4th wave targets, you can see the 382 and the 0.5 come up and stay up. As you can see, we rejected off it initially, and then the 382 held. So I entered my short and I took profits at the low here, and then stop loss to break even, and full TP at 1.236, which to find out where 1.236 is, once again, you get the trend-based fib extension from the low of 3 to the high of 4, dragged across, and you reverse it. So then it should look like this, and then as you can see, 1.236 hit perfectly, literally just after I went to bed. So pretty good trade if I'm being totally honest. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for joining me on this quick maths. 1.4 plus 2.6. That's what, about 4K? That's a 8 RR trade. No, it can't be. Risking 700 is about 6 RR. Well, it's 5.6 RR to be specific. So yeah, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if I was all over the place. But yeah, man. Catch me in the next one, cuz. Peace out. Goodbye.